Hi and welcome to Hungarian Daily's YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn the Hungarian vowels, so keep watching. Vowels. With the exception of O, A, E and E, Hungarian vowels have a short and a long version of the same sound. Long vowels should be pronounced about twice as long as their short equivalents. In writing, short vowels might have one or two dots above them. Long vowels are marked with one or two acute accents. All the consonants in the examples are pronounced in exactly the same way as in English. And now let's take a look at all the vowels one by one. O, O, like in the English word hot. Hot. Hot means 6. A, like in the English word hot. Hat, hat, hat means back. The next one is E, like in the English word pen, pen. Nem, nem means no or not. E, like in the English word play, play. Kék, kék means blue in Hungarian. O, like in the English word o. Hol, this is the short o, hol. And the long one, o, like in the English word o. Lo means horse. Hol means where. O. I, like in the English word sit. Meat means what. And the long version, E, like in the English word meat. V's means water. I, meat, V's. Like in the English word polite. Un means you, formal. Is the long version, just like in the English word polite, like the O, polite. Polite. Ne, for example. Ne means woman or to grow. Ne. U, like in the English word put, but try to round your mouth. Put. Foot means to run. And the long version, oo, like in the English word soon, like the double O's. Oo. Húg means the younger sister. És végül, de nem utolsó sorban, and last but not least, ü, like in the English word sit. It's not exactly the same sound, but very similar, ül. And actually, sit means ül. Ül means to sit. And the long version, ü, like in the English word sit, but longer. For example, tűz, which means fire. That's all for this lesson. In the next, we are going to continue with the consonants. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next. Bye bye.